So this is Cooper's Lego Corner, and today we're going to be building this set. And the set's called Monster Truck, and it's a monster truck, and it's ages 5 to 12. So let's open it up. So we have an instruction booklet, and we have another bag, and a piece. So that's it. So we're going to do a time lapse today, and I'll see you in a minute. Bye. The monster truck. It looks pretty cool. So first let's start off with the minifig. You have to take, I just want to tell you that you need to take off the top to get them out and put them in. Then you put it back on. So let's do the crash dummy. If you see this red thing on my If you saw this red thing on my chin, that is
scab.
That is scab. If you see that big chunk, that's a big chunk of skin that will fall off by itself. So the character looks kind of cool. He has black pants. He has detail on the front and he has detail on the back. No detail on the black pants. He has a face on the front, no face on the back. He has a black helmet with a visor. He has gray hands because those are her gloves. He looks pretty cool, so let's move on to the monster truck. That looks like, kind of like a real monster truck. It's kind of cool. Here's the guy's wrench. And it looks pretty cool. You can snap this on. Here's stars. And you can put the guy right in. You just have to put his legs down, put his hands like this. And then go like this. Then go like this, and then that was the monster truck. Okay, the scab is from a ramp that we made. It was in a review like a couple months ago, and that's where I got a boo-boo right where the scab was, and it was bleeding. So I hope you guys like. I hope you watch some more, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, that's so funny. I was just like, bye.